Join me Thursdays at 10 a.m. for live SketchUp workflow sessions. Here's a clip. All right, so I'll hit reset. Reset always gets you back to good. Something that's going on here, like, this is our newish tag freeze tool. This is part of our ConDoc Express tools. So I can just like click on my ceilings to turn off the ceilings tag like that. And then perhaps I would also turn off my ceiling equipment, and I'll leave the lights on. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go over into my scenes, and on the design scene, by default, the design scene does not save the visible tags, or maybe better to say, like, it saves your active section plane, style and fog, and shadow settings. But it doesn't hold on to visible tags. Well, sometimes I like to turn that on. And when I turn on the visible tags or check that property to save on, it snapshots what's currently the current state of my tags. All right, so now if I were to turn all elements on, and when I hit the reset button, it triggers this design scene, and it does some other things too. But like basically now, if I like get in here and I start, freezing some tags, or maybe I like isolate my lights, and when I hit reset, I don't have to keep going back and like turning off that ceiling. And maybe I get to a point where I want the ceiling on, and then I can just update that design scene. So it makes it pretty easy to kind of work the way you want to work. Each project's a little bit different.